Welcome to Austria, a country famous for its music, breathtaking architecture, and, of course, its delicious desserts. But among all the sweets Austria has to offer, there's one that stands above the rest: Sachertorte. Chocolate. You might have heard of this legendary chocolate cake, but did you know it has a history filled with secrets, legal battles, and hidden recipes? Stay with us as we uncover 7 unknown facts about Austria's most famous cake. Sachertorte wasn't created by a famous pastry chef. It was actually invented by a 16-year-old apprentice named Franz Sacher in 1832. While working in the kitchen of Prince Metternich, Franz had to step in when the head chef fell ill. With no time to spare, he created a new kind of chocolate cake with apricot jam, and the prince loved it. That was the beginning of an Austrian dessert legend. Despite being one of the most famous cakes in the world, the original Sachertorte recipe remains a secret. It's exclusively made by the bakers at Hotel Sacher in Vienna, and only a few people in the world know the exact proportions of ingredients. Many have tried to recreate it, but the authentic, original Sachertorte is protected like a treasure. In the 1950s, a fierce legal battle erupted over who had the right to call their cake the original Sachertorte. The fight was between Hotel Sacher and Demel bakery, both claiming to have the true recipe. After 9 years of legal disputes, the court ruled in favor of Hotel Sacher, and to this day, only they can sell the original Sachertorte. But Demel still makes its own version, known as Demel's Sachertorte. Making a real Sachertorte is no quick process. It takes a full 36 hours to complete. The cake is baked, then cooled completely before being coated with apricot jam. Then comes the signature dark chocolate glaze, which has to be applied at the perfect temperature to create the smooth, glossy finish. Only after this long process is the cake ready to be enjoyed. In Austria, Sachertorte is always served with unsweetened whipped cream, never ice cream. The rich chocolate glaze is so dense that it needs the light, airy texture of cream to balance it out. Some tourists make the mistake of ordering it with vanilla ice cream, but locals will tell you, that's not the authentic way to eat Sachertorte. Sachertorte isn't just popular in Austria, it's a global sensation. Every year, over 360,000 cakes are baked and shipped from Hotel Sacher to destinations all around the world. Whether in Tokyo, New York, or Sydney, people order this luxurious chocolate cake to experience a taste of Austria at home. Austrians love Sachertorte so much that they dedicated an entire day to it. December 5th is National Sachertorte Day, when people all over Austria celebrate by indulging in a slice of this famous cake. It's the perfect excuse to enjoy some rich chocolate deliciousness during the holiday season. Sachertorte wasn't part of a carefully planned recipe. It was actually a last-minute creation. In 1832, Prince Metternich wanted a new dessert for an important dinner, but the head chef was sick. A 16-year-old apprentice, Franz Sacher, had to step up and create something on the spot. His chocolate apricot cake was a hit, and the rest is history. The rich chocolate glaze on Sachertorte is not like regular chocolate icing. It's made from a special blend of 3 types of chocolate and is cooked using a precise temperature method to get that smooth, mirror-like finish. This gives Sachertorte its signature texture, dense, yet velvety soft when you take a bite. The apricot jam inside Sachertorte isn't just any jam. It's made using a special type of apricot grown in Austria. These apricots, called Wachau apricots, have a slightly tart flavor that perfectly balances the sweetness of the chocolate. Hotel Sacher even has its own jam production to ensure the quality remains exactly the same as in the original 1832 recipe. Unlike other cakes that are served immediately, Sachertorte actually tastes better after resting. The cake is allowed to sit for a day or 2 before being sold so that the apricot jam fully absorbs into the cake layers, making it richer and more flavorful. This extra waiting time is one of the reasons Sachertorte has such a unique taste and texture. You can't just wake up one day and start making Hotel Sacher's famous cake. Their bakers go through years of training to perfect every detail, from the temperature of the chocolate glaze to the exact way to spread the apricot jam. Every cake must meet the Sacher standard, or it won't be sold. When you buy an official Sachertorte from Hotel Sacher, it doesn't come in just any box. It arrives in a handmade wooden box with the Sacher logo engraved on top. This tradition started because wood helps preserve the cake's freshness, making it perfect for shipping worldwide. It's not just a cake, it's a piece of Austrian history. Even after almost 200 years, every original Sachertorte is still made by hand. From the baking, layering, and glazing to the final, Sacher, chocolate seal, no machines take over the craftsmanship. Each cake is a true work of art. That's why it tastes so special. And that's 15 fascinating facts about Austria's legendary Sachertorte. Which fact surprised you the most? Have you ever tried this famous chocolate cake? Let us know in the comments. And if you love learning about the world's most iconic desserts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious food stories.